My name is Neil Shore, and this is my small Active Directory server. One client, Windows 10 PC, which is getting its IP from the server, and the server has a dynamic IP address of 192.168.0.10, and if I'm not mistaken, is 254 hosts onto this network. So they're both connected to a NAT network that I created for both machines. My Windows server is on the left, where Windows 10 machine is on the left. Sorry, my Windows server is on the left. My Windows 10 is on the right. My computer is already part of my domain. I'm already logged onto it, and I have a dynamic IP address of 192.168.0.10 with DHCP. And my Windows 10 machine already being logged into my domain. Okay, and that's so So my computer's already logged into my Windows domain.